Say love. Welcome back to another video. So I've been going for a couple days. Let me show y'all my finger. My fingernail broke and this one broke off completely. So we will be doing a whole new nail video. Yeah. Sis about to go back to short. So I'm about to, before I start anything, I'm about to attempt to cut these nails down with this thing. Hopefully it works without breaking off the whole nail, because when I broke this one off, it hurted so bad. Because like I told y'all, these are still fully secure, like they're not loose or anything, but being as though they broke, they gotta go. And I need to braid my hair today. So, and it looked really cute short. So I'm gonna do this look. I'm gonna do this pink look again, just shorter. But yeah, I'm just going to cut these down and then figure it out. Let me just give them a little file because I don't want to scratch myself when I start doing other stuff, other things, and just try to even them out, because this cut is not even at all. But look, it's gonna work right now. It's gonna work today. I haven't recorded a video in a couple days, and I know I needed some content for my last video. That video I didn't finish, so it was just me sitting. I was literally just sitting around, and I was vlogging with y'all while I was doing a med tech certification. So that made me super tired, so I never finished that video off. But sis did get her med tech cert. I'm just waiting for it to come in the mail. I just was like, oh, let me just take this certification to get my med tech and just hand out meds. So now sis is certified to hand out meds and still certified as a CNA. So I just like to expand my job options. So it was definitely good that I have both of them. So it's definitely good that I have both of them now, because I can either go either way. And again, I like to expand my opportunities with working, because as y'all know, I'm an entrepreneur, but I also like to make sure that I have certain things if I do need to go get a job to help out. Like, so that's a good thing to have that. I need to go get the scissors real fast so we can cut this wheel out, so I'll be right back. So yeah, so today we will be taking out this hair of mine. I'm just tired of it. I said I was going to keep it in for a while, but I really don't know how to do stuff like that. I was going to put it back in as a middle part, but make a unit. But I don't have no stocking caps. I do not feel like going to the store. So we just gonna throw on a wig today, without doing the whole wig process, because I don't feel like it. Like, I'm not about to keep gluing down these caps to my baby hairs and then messing up my baby hairs. Like, I would just braid my hair, throw a cap on, and just use that advanced spray that I have, that I will show y'all, and just use that and have it sprayed down for a couple days, and then just change it out, because it's just not working for me. When I do get my stocking cap, I will be installing this onto a U-part unit, just so I can have a middle part, and I'm gonna add some clips to it, so it'll just be a clip-on unit with a middle part, because this hair is still good. I just have to wash it, and I don't want this style anymore. And it's time to wash my hair. My hair is filthy. So yeah, I'm just gonna take these tracks out, and then we're gonna prepare ourselves to wash my hair, and we're just gonna get into it. Alexa. Alright, y'all, so I am going to put some conditioner right here and a little bit right there, because I did have a couple. As y'all know, I had the 3 tracks in my bangs, and then I had like 2 glued right there going this way, so I flattened it that way. So we're going to put some shampoo and conditioner right there and let it sit for a little bit. Let me go through that. So yeah, I have the conditioner right there and in the middle, and we're just gonna let that sit, and then I'll be back. I'm thinking about taking y'all to wash it and blow dry it and stuff. I don't know yet. The way my shower is set up, my whole camera been got wet, and I don't have a big enough tripod. See, that's why I can't wait. But yeah, I'm about to let this sit for a little bit, and then I shall be back. Alright, y'all, so I'm back, and I'm about to take me a shower so I can wash my hair. Comb this glue out right there. I can't even burn my hair because it had weave in it. Alright, y'all, so I'm about to go wash my hair, and I shall be back to blow dry it and give me some straight backs. I'm gonna get into it. Alright, y'all, so I'm back, and I washed my hair. Oh, this hair is so curly. I can't wait to get it cut. What you about to bark at me for? Like we got a problem or something. I wanted to show y'all this new shampoo and conditioner I've been using. It's called Personal Care. I actually been using a Personal Care, and it's like vitamin E. It's super hydrated. It's so bomb. It's super lit, because it's like, you see my curls? I could definitely just wear my hair curly if I want to, but you know, if you know me, that ain't happening. But I could, but it ain't happening. It's amazing. Nobody's talking to you, Alexa. What do you want? Can I blow dry my hair first? So we're going to jump right into this blow dry. So y'all see me blow dry this hair. That was a quick blow dry today, so don't play. I'm not gonna start my braids yet because sis needs to go get some. I need to start checking the time before I start talking, because this camera gonna stop cutting off on me while I'm talking. So yeah, I'm about to go get me some food, and then I'm gonna come back and do these braids. I look like a little ass girl, like 30 weird. So yeah, I'm about to go get me some food, and I'm gonna be back to do this install. I need to figure out which wiggy I'm gonna put on today, because I don't know. But we gotta figure it out. It's this bump on my head, y'all. It just haven't been going nowhere, but it's drying out now. So I need to leave it alone, but that's neither here or there. So yeah, I'm about to go get me some food. I shall be back. Alright, y'all, so we're about to get into this braid situation. I don't know which wig I'm throwing on yet, but we're just gonna braid it and figure it out. So yeah, this is my Treasures Beauty wig that I made. So before I put it on, I'm going to take this glue off of it. We're not installing it because I can just literally throw it on and it's going to be on with no problem. Alright, y'all, so I did wash my wig and I deep conditioned it and I set it in the microwave for 2 minutes inside a container. But I'm gonna finish this video off tomorrow. It's officially about to be midnight. And I've been doing this head all day. Sis is tired now, so I'm gonna finish this video off first thing in the morning. And I don't want to put my wig on and I'm not doing nothing because I'm legit about to lay down with a bed. So tomorrow I'm gonna put the wig on. Literally just put the wig on. I will see y'all in the morning.